Hello, eighth period. Sorry I can't be in class today, so I just wanted to give you a few just instructions. At this point, you should have gotten your formative back and looked at the key. In case you didn't, the key is right here under keys. And so we are now going to get started with our summative. This is not going to be an in-class summative. It's going to be more of a project, and you're going to make an infographic. So if you click here on the site, it's going to take you to this document right here. And your directions are to make an infographic. You could do poster with images, diagrams, and text, and it can be electronic, used to educate and inform an audience about blood sugar homeostasis. So you have different scenarios right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you go to my website and click on 8th period scenario assignments, you can see which assignment that you are. All right. And here I'm going to go back to the summative assignment. So the requirements is you're going to describe your scenario, which is right up here. You're going to define homeostasis and provide a relevant graphic or image. You're going to sketch the graph for what's happening to glucose over time and what's happening to the hormone, all right, in terms of if it's going up or down and at what time to cause whatever happening to glucose. So after making these graphs, you're going to describe the event, all right, the cause, what happens to the body in response, and the hormone, the body's actual response to that, and the result if homeostasis is achieved or not achieved. So here's a general template of what this might look like, and you could even do a rough draft right here as well. Your final product is going to be more electronic, unless it's going to be an electronic copy. So you could do it on Google Slides, you could do it on Canva, you could do it on any other app as long as you're able to accomplish this. So here's an exemplar that is based on homeostasis of temperature. So notice I have the scenario, what happens when your body temperature rises. Here I have a graph showing what's happening, right? Body temperature rising, then going back down to homeostasis being at 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So there's some stuff you might have to research, just on Google in terms of, what is this homeostasis amount? And notice how I have things labeled A, B, C here. So here's the cause and effect. This is what's happening. This is how your body's responding specifically and how we go back to normal in this specific instance. Now notice for this exemplar, what is missing is a hormone. So there is not a hormone graph in this exemplar, but yours will have one. So I'd like you guys today to just look at your scenario, look back at your resources to help you out in terms of what might be happening in your scenario, and you could start planning out your infographic either on this sheet or by using Canva. And you could do this on the sheet on paper or electronically. This won't be due for Wednesday, so your goal is just to work on it during class today. Thanks for watching, everyone.